Hello, I welcome you all in my channel Python Priyanka. So, before starting with topic, hope you all are doing well. Stay fit and let's start learning Python with Priyanka. So, today we are learning new topic that is I'm gonna explain you about time, date time, how this basically work with the help of Python and also delta time function. Okay, so first of all, we have to import this time and date time. After that, what is current date and time? That's we will check. So see, as we have already imported this date time, here we are using date time dot now, and we are passing parentheses. So it will give us now means today's now today's date with now time of current time. Okay, so this is how you can get it. And of course, if you want to print it, just print it with the help of print function, so it can is visible to you clearly. So like see over here, today is 26th August 2023 and time is 16:11 minutes 4 16 hours 11 minutes 4 seconds, and this after point is microsecond. Okay, if you want to check today's means date and time, so this is how you can go datetime dot today and parenthesis and just print it. It will give you like the same which will gives now, it will give same. All right, after that let's as we have already stored over here like today's date and time in this today's variable, so we will use it and try to fetch it out some data from it. So now we are trying to fetch it out date, today dot date and parenthesis. So it have given us only date of today's. After that, if we will fetch time, it will gives you time. If you want just which year it is, then this is how you can fetch it, which day it is, which month, at what time means which second it is going on at that time. That's what here it is giving us over here. After that, minute, hour, and see microsecond. So that's what exactly we like. And if you will try like this today dot mean, then it won't give you minute. All right, because see this is what the function over here for it. After that, how time delta work? So basically I have wrote like datetime dot now, so I'm taking now means current time over here. And see, if you want to check after like 10 or 15 days which day it is, so with the help of time delta you can check it out. Like over here, if you will just try to uh, perform like whichever datetime dot now plus 15 after 15 days which day it is, it will gives you error unsupported operand type. Okay, after that, how over here like we have already in today we have this date over here, right? Today's date and time. So after that, datetime dot time delta, this is what the function, and in bracket you have to pass how many dates you want after that day, and I'm printing it. I have assigned over here an new new variable and I'm just printing it. This is how you can able to get it, the whichever date you want to fetch it after that particular means from current date after 15 days which date it is or which like day it is, week it is. This is how you can check it out. Okay, and this is how time delta function works. So over here what I did, I am suppressing datetime dot time delta days 5. So from today's I'm going backward 5 days. So see, today's is 26 and over here it is showing 21. Likewise, if we go forward 3 weeks, it will give us something date Likewise, if you will go only with hours, so it will give us tomorrow's state. This is how time delta function work. All right. So what I did over here, I have just taken one. I wanted to give you an example. That's what, nothing else. So time dot time, we are storing it in start. This is start time, and over here for I in range, like I have passed one value, that is huge value, and after that I'm simply saying pass, and end is over here. I have to check it, change it, right? End is also like time dot time, and p is nothing but start time minus end time, means which how much time it taken. So let's execute it. It will take some time because over here we have passed huge numbers. So let's check it out. So it have taken around 7.38 second. All right. After that, what is strf time and how it convert time into string format? So basically, if you want to convert this date, means date time, like for time date you want to convert into particular format, then how we can able to convert? So basically we have this time date time with integer value only, and if you wanted to convert it into strf string format, like over here I have passed only date, for only date I have passed, so it is giving this str format of it. So guys, over here I'm ending this, means date time and delta time function, and I will post its question in short feed, and let's means close over here this topic, and we will move forward with another topic in next video. Till the time, keep learning, keep upgrading yourself. Do not just means stick got stuck at any point. Just try to explore at your end too. And this is for today. Thank you so much. If you like it, like, share, subscribe, and once again thank you.